Hey Crunchified Clean friends, here are two disinfectants that will not be found in the cleaning aisle, so grab them. Hydrogen peroxide is a fantastic wound care cleaner. As you know, it's great for disinfecting and killing germs and bacteria, so you can also use it for killing germs and bacteria when you're cleaning. Along with isopropyl alcohol. That's another wonderful disinfectant. If it can kill germs and viruses and bacteria on your skin, it'll do a great job on the toilet. And the best part is you can play around with these and add like maybe a little bit of dish soap or a little bit of essential oils and play around with the scent. They leave a streak-free shine on glass and mirrors. You can use them on counters or tubs and toilets. Check out my other videos explaining each one individually to see which surface you can and can't use them on and what the proper dwell time is, but grab them. They are great disinfectants.